Hey guys, this is Mr. Goliath with the website challenge. So we're going to use the link below, which is right here. So once you click that, you'll be able to go through these following steps. So it'll bring you here. We're going to click the login, and we're going to use this orange-ish, reddish login, and we're going to use our U46 account. Click allow, and then it'll bring me in. So I'm going to click, because I already have an old site, so I'm going to click add site, and so let's see, so I'm going to choose personal for mine, and now it's giving me more choices. I'm going to choose this one. I like that there's the pages up in the upper corner, so I'm going to click choose, and it should load. And let's say mine is about soccer. Now notice I'm using the .weebly.com. If you choose anything else, you're going to have to pay money, and I doubt you have Bitcoin or credit cards, so make sure you choose this one. I click continue. I'm going to click got it. Got it. And I am ready to start editing my site. So if I click on this, the first thing for the team challenge, let's say mine was about soccer skills. I'm done. So I've created this page. It's ready to go. I'm going to hit publish, continue, and it should give me a link. And here's my link of what my site would look like. So it's very basic right now. I'd hit copy. I can go back to the website team challenge, and you'll notice I pasted mine right here. So now I can hit post, and mine shows up. You're going to paste your Weebly website as a comment or a private comment as opposed to a class comment, but once you do that, you are done and you can become a helper. Good luck.